The WUBEN X3 comes in a nice box. We're going to open it up, show you what you get inside. You get an instruction guide in a number of languages. Carefully go over. It's got a lot of good information. Right out of the box is your X3 flashlight. It has a clip, your two lights, your on and off, your digital window, wireless charging, your two magnets, and no USB-C port because this is IP rated waterproof. Pull out one of the three: wireless charging base, power bank system, or standalone charger. Comes in a protective film. The case is clear, open. It has a USB-C strap, a silicone port door, and the on and off button. Charge it with a PD20 charger. Underneath the plastic case is a lanyard USB-C dongle for lightning cable. The USB-C strap has a metric system on one side, two buttons that expose USB-C, and USB-C door. Simply place in the cable, pull out to expose the lightning cable. In case of an emergency, you plug in USB-C or lightning to your phone, and the main charger is a power bank, a number of hours of charging. Plug in, the unit comes on. If and when ready to put away, just simply grab, pull away, and you want to charge your unit up, take your cable, plug it in, and the other end into a USB-C PD20. We have here is a USB-C already hooked up to power, and we're going to charge the unit. It'll take a number of hours to fully charge the power bank. That will charge your X3 light. For the first time, charge your WUBEN X3 power bank 3000 milliamps with the PD charger. It takes up to about 2 hours to fully charge. On the X3 flashlights, a 1000 milliamp battery. Take 2 hours to fully charge the unit. For demonstrations, we're plugged into a different power source. When taking the flashlight for the first time, dropping in, you're going to notice it lights up blue and the window is going to show you the battery indicator and the red light on charging. Allow both units to fully charge before using for the first time. You notice a solid bar blinking and a percentage bar underneath. It breathes on and off. This is non-glow in the dark. It has a blue illumination. Check online for further details about the product you purchase: a power case, a standalone with a charging port, or a wireless charging that you simply place on, blue light comes on, and if you swivel the screen around correctly, you're able to see the window charging. The X3 is waterproof, IP65. The WUBEN X3 power bank is water resistant with an opening case. If you remove the USB-C port door, you have here is a silicone cover that you could turn on and off your power bank. Going over the unit, it has a magnet base, two magnets that are strong. If you drop your flashlight, you need to use a long metal bar, you may do so. Your wireless charging area, Your two COB lights with different types of COBs. You have a white light, red light, blue light with a 180-degree swivel head, a digital window, and a on and off button with different modes of up to or more than 10 modes of lighting from 1 lumens up to 700 lumens. And you have a clip-on for a backpack, belt, and more. The USB-C strap has a metric ruler, a lanyard strap for the power case, and if you want to use the strap to put around the clip, you may do so as well. If you want to release the handle, there is a little pin that you can pull and remove. Going over the settings now, you're going to hit the button 4 times quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have a lock button. If you don't do it correctly, it will not turn on. You have to go 1, 2, 3, 4. The light goes on to a 1 lumens, level 1, 1 light. If you hold the button down, it cycles through 3 modes. 50, 150, and back to 1. And let go on the mode you want. If your blue light doesn't come on, short press and quickly tap this 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you turn on or off the blue light, you want to turn the blue light back on, short press, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then when you press on, the blue light is on. If you long press, you have a red single light. And if you long press, it changes from low to high. 1 lumens to 80 lumens, single. If you press again, it goes back to the default low, medium, high. Double press, you have a turbo mode, 700 lumens. Long press, it goes back to the 1 lumens. Triple press gets you to the flicker. And it says here strobe, and if you long press it, it slows down. The single press shuts it off back to the 1 lumens. An SOS mode is a triple press, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then to cancel, short press. To get to the 80 lumens or 1 lumens, it's a long press. And then that's 1 lumens and long press again for the 80 and short press to shut off. I have basically gone over just about everything of the flashlight can do. If you want a flashlight so you could hang above you, hands-free, work in a room, in the car, anything that's metal, going biking, hiking, camping, RV, automobile, anywhere you need to have a flashlight. And what we're going to go do now is demonstrate some of the features outside in a low-level situation and different rooms. We're in charging mode with the blue light. A single press of the unit gets you a bright light. A long press gets you a dull light. And if you shut off and do a long press, you get a 1 lumens red light. Can the flashlight be ran with the power bank for extended run times? The 700 lumens will use more power and the 1 lumens will run up to 80 hours of run time. With the power bank supplied, you have many hours of use. It also is a soft glow light. So when you don't want to disturb anybody else, this may be a flashlight right for you. Working in a boiler, hands-free so you're able to do your work. Angling it, throwing it back into the case so you can have a night light and shine up.